Welcome, class of 2024. Welcome back, all students, to Fort Pierce Central High School. I am the proud principal, Monterey Miller Buchanan. I would like to share with you that we are committed to ensuring that you have the best year possible. I want to introduce to you our assistant principals. On my right, we have Miss Aisha Boria, assistant principal of the 9th grade. We also have, new to us, Miss Lisa Davenport. She will be the assistant principal of 10th grade. On my left, we have Mr. Jamie Saminsky, who is new to us as well, and he will be the assistant principal of 11th grade. And last but not least, we have Miss Baylor returning to us. Miss Baylor will be the assistant principal of the seniors. Students, I know you're probably a little preoccupied about what our year will look like. However, even though we have to wear masks to school, don't worry, because I know you will do it right. Thank you and welcome back, students. We have missed you so much. Miss Aisha Boria, our 9th grade assistant principal, will now direct us to other facilities within the school and introduce you to teachers and students. Thank you and have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Welcome, class of 2024. My name is Mrs. Bory and I'm your assistant principal, and joining me here today is Dean Johnson, the Dean of the Freshman Academy. What an exciting time you have today to be able to take a tour of Building 2, the Cobra Freshman Academy. Come join us now as we meet some teachers, as you hear some stories from your very own students. Let's go and join me. Hey Cobra, come with me as I take you to one of our Freshman Academy suites, where you'll meet your guidance counselor, Mrs. Clements. So hi student, this is the Freshman Academy suite. This suite is very important because this is where my office is, Mrs. Bory, and your very own guidance counselor, Miss Marina Clements. Come join me as we meet her. This is Mrs. Clements. She's right here in Building 2 in the outside building. Door to your right-hand side, and she's here to support you in anything that you need in regards to scheduling, if you need someone to talk to, if you have questions on dual enrollment for 10th grade, whatever it is that you need, Ms. Clements is here for your support. Hi again, now it's time to take a tour of the Freshman Academy building, what is Building 2. In each floor, there are 2 pods. In each pod, you will have your classroom core classes, such as English, math, science, and your freshman seminar classes. Right now I'm going to take you a tour of the downstairs building, and we're going to go into one of the pods where you're going to meet some of your future teachers. Come join me as we meet them.
Welcome, class of 2024. I'm Mrs. Santoro. I teach 9th grade intensive reading. I am super excited to have every single one of you join us on campus. You are starting your year as a Cobra. And always remember, from here on out, you're going to hear the words, once a Cobra, always a Cobra. Welcome, class of 2024.
Welcome, class of 2024. We are so excited to have you here to be a Cobra. My name is Mr. Eugene. I'm your English teacher, and I can't wait to meet you. Bienvenue, classe of 2024. Moi vraiment content que vous là avec nous. Moi c'est Mr. Eugene. Moi c'est professeur anglais, et moi excité que vous là avec nous.
Welcome everyone. My name is Ariel Chimelis. I am a freshman teacher as well as student success. I'm also a JV volleyball coach and varsity softball coach. Looking forward to meeting everyone. Bienvenidos a todos mis estudiantes. Go Cobras.
And now a few words from our wonderful Cobra students.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I'm an incoming junior here at Fort Pierce Central. I participate in cheer and I do JRTC. To be a Cobra means to exercise your integrity and to always know that you'll be a representative of our school and always showing off your Cobra pride.
Hi everyone, my name is Kiana Farrell and I participate in cheerleading and I also play flag football. What I love about Central is that it houses some of the greatest and loving teachers, and that is what has helped me through my last 3 years of high school.
Hi, my name is Gabriela Molina, and I'm an incoming sophomore, and my freshman experience was really great. And this school has amazing teachers that give you really great help, and it's a great school so you could succeed and go to college.
Hi again. I'm here with Pete Crespo, the athletic director of Fort Pierce Central High School. He's going to share some helpful information regarding athletics this year for the school year of 2020-2021. Coach Crespo.
Welcome, class 2024. My name is Pete Crespo. I'm the athletic director for Fort Pierce Central High School. And currently we are submitting applications. You can do your athletic packet online. You can print it off and submit it in order to play sports for the fall. We are going to be starting fall athletics in the next couple of weeks. Just bring your information to me in my office right in here. This is the entrance. And talk to me if you have any questions, or Miss Stanton. Thank you very much.
All right, Cobras, you got everything you need to have a great start for the class of 2024 and all students of Fort Pierce Central High School. Remember what we always say, once a Cobra, always a Cobra. Stay tuned and view the PowerPoint to have more information about the school year. Bye.
implementation of universal health precautions is the best way we can keep each other healthy and safe. We'll be working together to implement multiple steps which defend against the transmission of illnesses, including COVID-19. These defenses include wearing a mask, staying home when sick, frequent hand washing, social distancing, and frequent cleaning of high touch points, face coverings during the upcoming school year. The use of face coverings is required for all students and staff. Students may only remove their masks if they have permission from a staff member because they are socially distanced from one another. We are strongly encouraging parents to provide a reusable face covering or disposable mask for their child. Masks will be provided for employees and students who are unable to provide their own. Parents are asked to send students to school with a bottle of water or refillable water container, as the water fountains will only be used to refill water bottles and refillable containers. In the classroom during the upcoming school year. While we'll strive to keep the traditional school experience the same, the implementation of universal health and safety protocols will be added as a major focus of daily life in our schools. In addition, we have some new classroom safety protocols. Excessive furniture will be removed to allow for maximum use of space. When possible, students will be seated at least 6 feet apart. While social distancing in classrooms, masks may only be removed when permitted by a faculty or staff member. When moving into smaller groups, or when social distancing is not available, masks must always be worn. Teachers will provide breaks to allow for hand washing at strategic points throughout the day, such as before and after lunch, resource and recess, and after sharing equipment or supplies. The use of soap and water for at least 20 seconds is best. However, when unavailable, hand sanitizer will be provided. Explicit lessons on healthy habits will be conducted, including topics like hand washing, cough etiquette, use of masks, social distancing, and staying home when sick. Bus safety during the upcoming school year.
So this year in St. Lucie County Public Schools, bus riding for students is going to be somewhat different.
We encourage parents and guardians to drop off their students or have them walk or ride bikes to school whenever possible. When buses will be used, our riders and drivers will follow a series of new safety protocols. While waiting for the bus, we ask that all students wear face coverings and follow social distancing guidelines. Drivers will be equipped with gloves, masks, and face shields for maximum protection. Between every route, drivers and aides will be cleaning the bus seats and touch points with an EPA-approved cleaner. This cleaner disinfects within 1 minute. Should a case of COVID-19 be traced to a rider of one of our buses, that bus will be removed from service. A secondary deep clean disinfecting will be performed on the entire bus before it returns to service. Hand sanitizer will be provided for riders as they enter and exit the bus. Riders are required to wear face masks at all times. We ask that riders adhere to social distancing whenever possible. Students from the same household will be allowed to sit together, otherwise riders will be spread out as much as possible. Bus schedules are being developed to reduce ridership on any given route. Bus windows will be lowered to improve ventilation as much as possible. Upon arrival, do not congregate and move directly to your classroom or destination. Student attendance during the upcoming school year. Students should stay home if they are sick. Students returning from international travel or heavily impacted regions within the United States will be required to enter precautionary quarantine for 14 days upon return. The use of perfect attendance awards and incentives will not be a focus this year. Staff and visitors during the upcoming school year. We cannot stress enough the importance of staying home when you are sick. All staff and visitors will receive a temperature check upon arrival. Anyone with a temperature above 100.4 degrees will not be able to enter the facility. Staff and visitors will also be screened upon arrival. Anyone who has experienced flu-like symptoms, been exposed to someone who has tested positive for COVID-19, or have traveled internationally or to heavily impacted regions within the United States during the past 14 days will not be able to enter the facility.